It's time for Where Are They Now, presented by Paul Bunyan Communications. Joel Otto spent 4 seasons making his mark in the Beavers hockey program. He was named All-American 3 times, was a member of the first NCAA Division II national championship team, and was captain on the 1984 team that went 31-0. After that season, he was awarded the Hobey Baker Memorial Award. Otto ranks 3rd all-time in points with 204 and was the first player in BSU hockey history to have his number retired. So where's Joel Otto now?
Whole home DVR, PBTV everywhere, all the most watched networks in high definition, fiber optic fast broadband internet with speeds of up to 150 megabits per second. One local source, Paul Bunyan Communications, right here.
After BSU, Joel Otto went on to play 14 seasons in the NHL, of which 11 were spent with the Calgary Flames, including the 1989 Stanley Cup championship team. Otto was also a member of the U.S. national team in 1996 and the U.S. Olympic team in 1998. Since retiring from the NHL, Otto has been active as a spokesperson for several organizations in Calgary and has also served as an assistant coach for the Calgary Hitmen. And that's where Joel Otto is now.